Hello and welcome back to the Mud Trail Boys Garage. This is the 2012 Brute Force EPS. We did a little video the last time of changing the rear shocks, and I addressed that we need to replace this bumper. So that's what we're going to do today. So for those who watched the last time, this is the new bumper. The one that's on it is broke off right here, and it's really bent and whatnot. So we're going to take it off the quad. There's a bolt here, 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 and here. These are 14 or 9/16, and the top ones are 12 mil, I believe. And I'll get a little shot of taking it off. Okay, so here we are. Went ahead and undid the bolt here. This one's still in, but it's loose. The two leads for the winch, which I actually didn't have to because I took it off here. The bolt here, bolt down here on both sides, and we should be able to just pop this out here. Put that over there with those guys. Hold on, off. It's pretty bent up. Old one, new one. I'll get that installed, and I'll show you when we get back. And there's two of these things to go on the winch bracket. Okay, so got all my bolts tightened up, ready to put the other piece on. But first I gotta make some new light holder bracket things here. They're both wrecked, but that might come at a later date. I'm gonna put this front plastic thing on and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, let's install this piece. I'm gonna need a 13/16 Allen key. Gonna put a little anti-seize on there. This little fella on there. Wow. It hasn't had a bumper on it forever. Crazy. Wow. Headlights aren't in all the way properly, but what a change. So much better. Another thing I gotta address here. This thing's been sitting for so long and drained the battery. So I went and got a new battery. And this is a power steering fuse, and over the years of mud and water and everything else, the ends are no good on it. And also there's a little wire right in here somewhere that the rodents got to. This wire right here. So gotta fix that. She's an old girl, but that flash off there. So it's got 2,902 kilometers on it. Still runs like a top. Another thing that I've got to do is I got this. It's a 4-wheel drive actuator control from it's like Segroy Innovations. They're a really neat thing. They take all the electronic 4-wheel drive off, and then that's your 4-wheel drive. This is your diff lock. I gotta adjust the diff lock because it doesn't really work properly. But these are the things that come on it. So you got this, that's your 4-wheel drive switch. Then you've got two of these motors, one on the side of the belt casing and one on the front diff. And these are like $400 brand new from Cowie to replace them. So you can buy this kit from these guys for just about the same price for one. So it comes with, they call it the tank lever, whatever you want to say. Tank lever, cables. There's a box under here you can't really see. It does all your 4-wheel drive stuff. Block off plate for the one actuator. I had to play with it the other day. And then down in here, that's the 4-wheel drive actuator right there. Works awesome. The only thing that I'm having an issue with right now is the diff lock. Other than that, when I want 4-wheel drive, I don't have to worry about any electronics. Oh, and I gotta fix my homemade rad relocate. I made this out of some cheap angle iron. I can put a jerry can here, jerry can on the other side. Lots of fuel on board. Gotta make a new shield here. She's a work in progress, but once I get the lights and stuff fixed on it, I'm just gonna remake this little cross member here. And we're gonna get her out on the trails and go for a rip. Not sure where. Might just go down to the farm, but we'll see what happens here. But anyway, we'll oh, and those shocks there, we will let you know how they work when I get riding it. Anyway, this has been another Mud Trail Boys Garage. Hope you enjoy. If you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And we'll see you on the next one.